Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you all of you where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Welcome back to another very interesting video. In today's video, I am going to discuss how you can use Facebook to grow your channel, how you can use different groups which are available on Facebook to increase your number of views, to increase your number of subscribers, to increase your watch hours for your YouTube channel videos, and what is the trick behind it. And before going to start, if you are new here, a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Earning Tips for You. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon so you will get latest video notification first of all, and make sure you like the video and share this video with your friends as well, so they will also get the information and knowledge which I share in my videos. So and one more thing, it's month of Rabiul Awwal and I have no idea on which date I will upload this video, but from my side, Jashni Eid Miladun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Mubarak to everyone. May Allah Almighty bless every year this month in our life again and again, and accept all our good deeds, social works, and so on and so forth. And remember me in your prayers always, because I need your prayers maximum. So let's move towards the topic. First, I explain you here orally, and then I will go towards mobile screen and explain you that how you can use this feature. So everyone which you are watching my video, if you are a YouTuber, so everyone is working on YouTube and have some sort of particular topic on which they upload videos. For example, someone is doing videos related cooking, someone are doing vlogs, someone are doing motivational videos, someone doing sports related content, gaming videos, someone have their tech channels, someone are doing some sort of current affairs and general knowledge, and so on and so forth. Someone are doing kids activities, so such kind of channel which you are running on YouTube. And if you go towards Facebook, so on each of the topic you will find lot of number of groups on each of these topic which I mentioned before. So you can go towards your Facebook and join all these groups which are according to your channel content, which are according to your videos. So when you join the groups, then how you can use these groups. So let's move towards the mobile screen so I can explain you that how you can use Facebook to increase your number of views. We are on mobile screen. In Facebook, you can join groups according to your topic. So for example, my videos are related with YouTube, so here I am going to show you about YouTube groups. Here, for example, if I open first one, so here you can see 590k number of group members here in this group. So here I follow this group, okay, and here next you can see 97k, 129k and 29k following or member of these groups. So for example, here you join these groups, and here where there is a post write something, so you click on this, and here it required submission for admin approval. So let's submit the post. Then what you will do, when you will make your video, so make attractive thumbnail of your videos. Your thumbnail are very very attractive. Someone can see on your thumbnail and he is willing to go to your click on your video and go to watch towards your video. So then what will you do here? For example, I have already the last video which I have already uploaded on my channel, so I am going to use the same thumbnail of that video. So here it is, and here first you use thumbnail and second you use the link of your video. So how you can find your link? You click on your YouTube Studio app, install in your mobile phone, and next you click on the video, particular video, and next here you click on the share option, and here you will initially you share someone with your link. Like here I share my link. So next I copy my link, here it is copied, and let's open Facebook again. Here paste the link of your video, nothing else. Just upload the thumbnail of your video and link of your video and click on the post option. So here it requires admin approval, and for example here it is pending for approval. Here I join another group, and here it required something else, so I exit. Here it is another group is opening, so here I can join this group as well. In this way you can join your maximum number of groups. Here it requires approval from the admin of this group. So for example, the groups which I already joined, for example here it is, and one more thing, be focused on your own targeted languages countries, because on Facebook there is lot of groups available. So you guys make sure that you only join those groups which belong to your own country, which belong to your own language, and especially your content is related with these groups. So for example here, if I show you another group, for example like here, for example here I open another group like this small YouTube gaming channel. So here I write the post, here I go and paste my thumbnail. Okay, this is first thing. Here my thumbnail is selected. Next here I paste the link of that video, and next I click on the post option. So in this way this seems to be available post here you can see. So in this way, if your thumbnail is attractive and all the members which are available in this group, if they support you, so in this way you can increase your views, maximize. And I will try to make a detailed video on the topic that how you can make your thumbnails very attractive. Soon inshallah I will upload this video, and this trick work for most of the people. So try and try. Don't lose hope. Just focus on your videos, your topic, your content. So inshallah you will able to get success. So that's all about in today video. See you soon in some next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.